This frying pan nonstick wok pan, Aneder, is a great addition to any kitchen. It is an 11-inch skillet that works on electric, induction, and gas stoves. The pan has a non-stick surface. This makes cooking and cleaning easy. Food will release without much effort. You can even cook with less butter or oil. This is good for making healthier dishes for your family. The frying pan nonstick wok pan, Aneder, feels sturdy. Its handles are designed for a comfortable grip. This helps when you are moving the pan around. The edge of the pan is smooth. This makes it easier to pour food onto plates. Cleaning the pan is simple. Food does not stick easily, so washing dishes is faster. This pan can complement your other kitchen tools. It makes cooking more enjoyable. Overall, the frying pan nonstick wok pan, Aneder, is a useful pan. It is good for making many kinds of dishes. The non-stick feature is a big plus. It helps with cooking and cleanup. If you need a reliable wok pan, this one is worth considering. It is a simple and effective tool for your kitchen. It won't break the bank, and it gets the job done. Pros: healthy cooking, energy saving, all heat sources, detachable handle, oven safe, easy storage. Lightweight, even heating. Cons: not metal utensil safe, limited high heat use, uneven heating possible, handle might get hot. Durability can vary, no lid included, shape not ideal for all, cleaning needs care. Features: for all stoves, cast aluminum, easy to clean, healthy cooking, even heating, detachable. Handle, cool handle, easy storage. This Aneder 11-inch nonstick wok is made from cast aluminum, which helps it heat evenly. It's designed for all types of stoves, including electric, induction, and gas. The pan has a non-stick surface, so food doesn't stick, and it's easy to clean. It also has a detachable handle that stays cool while you cook and makes storing the wok easier. This wok is designed for healthy cooking. This Aneder 11-inch nonstick wok pan is designed for healthy and energy-saving cooking on all heat sources, including electric, induction, and gas stoves. It features a detachable handle for oven use, easy storage, and a lightweight design, promising even heating. However, it's not safe for metal utensils, has limited high heat use, and may potentially heat unevenly or have a handle that gets hot. Also, durability can vary. It doesn't include a lid. Its shape might not suit all cooking needs, and it requires careful cleaning with small sentences and easy to understand steps. Without exaggerating its features,